Look at all this that the neighbor brought over. Well, actually, the neighbor's grandmother. They are so sweet. They like to give us stuff. I guess she or like her friend was cleaning out their pantry. It's got keto cereal. That's cool. I have a friend who's strictly keto and she likes sweets, so I might share that with her. But yeah, it's nice when people clean out their pantry and bring it over. I don't mind at all. Got cake. Ooh. Oh, I haven't had this in forever. I used to love like the little Lipton noodles, like the Alfredo. What is this? Savory? Huh, I don't think I've had that flavor. I haven't bought that kind of stuff in a long time. This is expensive. Metamucil. It's like a huge Costco size. I use this a lot. I don't eat enough fiber in my diet. I know I should eat more salad and veggies, but I don't. These are good. We got this at a food bank outside of Portland one time. It was really good. Trader Joe's gives them a lot. They're like right next to a Trader Joe's. This is really good. The Bear Creek turnip broccoli. They make really good soups that I use for camping. Probably put it with this guy and take it camping this summer. Organic flaxseed. This is really good. You can sneak it in your oatmeal. A little extra fiber and some good oils. Ooh, could use that. I only have two rooms with carpet in it still. We're almost done switching out to hard floors. These are good on salads or, you know what? I have a ton of hominy. I'm probably going to make like a menudo without the tripe. I need that too. I was just going to buy some. My oven is gross. I should show you. It's so bad. I have not cleaned it in a while. Chocolate sprinkles. Yum. Gravy. Like ready to go gravy. I sneak these in soups sometimes. I'm not a huge fan of the flavor, but if you sneak it in like a stew you need to thicken up, that's a good trick for those. Kelp seasoning. Popcorn sprinkle. Ooh. We'll have to try that. Alaskan kelp and nutritional yeast. Interesting. Very interesting. Penne. Good penne. Whole wheat. My kids are not a fan of the whole wheat. Someone told me a sauce to put on it to kind of hide it, and I forget what it was. Maybe you guys have some idea. I wonder if like a really strong pesto would work. Stuffing. You know, I like to make everything from scratch if I can, but I have never made my own stuffing. It just seems like it's cheaper because I like lots of herbs to just buy the box instead of wiping out my herb cupboard. More pasta. It's in peanut butter. Those are not peanut butter pretzels. Must be bulk pasta or something they put in there and we use the bucket. Got some tortillas. Carb balanced tortillas. Low carb tortillas. Those are good. More pasta. I like linguine a lot. I never get it at the food bank and I haven't had it in forever. Try that. More camp food. That looks good. Regular scallop potatoes. My kids love those. I don't think I've ever made those for them. And they just had them recently. So you got applesauce, green beans, corn, peas. Give that to the neighbor. He likes those. And then a low sugar jelly. Awesome. And then she gave me a bunch of random stuff, but I'm so excited. She must have been cleaning out all the closets. So we potluck a lot at our church. Hardcore potluck, and it doesn't look like it's ever been used. Cake. What do you call it? Food dome. I always called them cake buckets. It's like a bucket, right? It's got a handle. I call everything a bucket if it's got a handle. Some games. This is a really cool book. I've seen this before. It's about, it's a lot of stories from a tribe up in Alaska. A school teacher wrote it, and it's just kind of stories from kids growing up there. Alaskan Native people. How fun. Those will be good. This is an I have one of these already. I might share this with the neighbor. This is a great table topper. if you daydream about having like a little hobby farm or a little homestead, I'm so excited. Look at this. This is nice. I don't know who made it. Family Heritage Stoneware. It's for like multiple mini loaves. Yeah, that is cool. I think I'm going to make banana bread in that because then I can give it away. I have like a ton of really past their prime bananas. What's in here? Ooh, it's like big candles. Whoa. Oh, they're like little ghosts or something. Like little Halloween. Yeah, Halloween ones. I bet the kids will want to use those for a craft. And then these pillows are nice. I'm probably going to swap out with the kids. Theirs are just cheap, like $5 Target pillows. And they're flat as pancakes. These are nice and squishy. I got a sweater. It's like hand-me-downs and stuff too. Alaska. They must like going up there or be from there or something. I like the colors of that. I think I'm going to keep that. And she said these are full-size bed sheets. And they feel really, they're like a high thread count sateen. They're really nice sheets. That must be the top sheet. And then wait till you see what's at the bottom. So excited. This is unopened. Maybe I'll take that down to the food bank. They get homeless or just people hard up. Might be an old lady that could use just another blanket for sitting on the couch with. That's too nice. I might regift that. Look at this old quilt. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I like quilts. I grew up with my grandmother's and my mom quilting. Look at that. I think it's tied with wool. I've never seen a quilt. Yeah, it's tied. Oh, look at that vintage fabric. Oh, this is a treat. Looks like it's worn. I might have to just get a needle and thread and get this guy patched up. I have some vintage prints in a box that someone gave me here in town, and I might, looks like it's in pretty good shape. Oh, what a gift. I'm gonna pause this and I'll spread out and show you. Look at that. All these prints are so fun, especially like these pastel ones at the top. That is cool. I mean, some of these are like wool. They're not even all cotton. Wow. What a gift. I'm going to have to write her a nice thank you note. That is cool.